Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Start now by confirming the phone has battery and is unlocked. Open Settings, then tap Lock Screen or Security. This opens the options you need. Make a quick choice: PIN, pattern, password, or biometric. Decide based on convenience and security. You'll need to follow on-screen prompts once you pick a type, so keep your fingers steady. If prompted, enter your existing device passcode to proceed. This prevents unauthorized changes and keeps setup secure. Now configure the method you chose. Tap Set PIN, pattern, password, or enroll a fingerprint or face model. You'll be asked to enter and confirm the PIN or pattern twice. This prevents typos. For biometrics, follow the guided scans until the sensor confirms a good read. Make sure to set the auto-lock timeout to a value that balances security and convenience. Also review lock screen notification settings so sensitive content stays protected. Finish by locking the phone and testing the new screen lock immediately. Unlock with the method you set to verify success. If biometric fails repeatedly, enroll the same finger or face again, or choose the backup PIN/password you created. Make sure account recovery options are up to date in case you forget the code. If something still goes wrong, restart the phone and repeat enrollment. Most issues clear after a reboot. If not, contact the device maker's support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.